In this video, we will learn about a module known as book. Let's say you want to create a new book. For example, let's say you want to create a tutorial like HTML tutorial. You can easily create it with all the book pages. Like in HTML tutorial, the first one we will start with HTML overview, the first chapter, which would be a first page. The second chapter which would be HTML environment. The third would be HTML tags. So let's say how we can create it. Just go to extend. The book module is by default provided by Drupal, so there is no need to install it. We just have to enable it. Here you can see we have reached the extend section that lists all our modules. Here you can see all the modules are visible. Bottom you can see the book module is visible, allow users to create and organize related contents. Like if you are creating a tutorial, you can easily relate it. It will also include the next and back pages option so that it's easier for user to learn. So now we will click on it. Here you can see we have clicked on it. Now we will go to bottom and we will just click on install. This is the complete installation section that would originally enable the book module. So here you can see the book module has been enabled. So now we can use it. Now we will go to content and let's see what happens. Click on it. Here you can see a new content type would be visible in the name of book. Let's see. Here you can see all our contents are visible. We have added blog post, basic page before. So now we'll click on add content. Here you can see a new section book page is visible through which you can easily create a book with hierarchy. So click on it. Here you can see the section is visible. This would be our parent section. Here we can create a book page. And in this procedure, we will also learn how we can create a book from here so that will be the parent item. For example, HTML tutorial is our parent item. So now add some text to it. On the left, you can see some options like the same which we have seen under adding an article or blog page. Here you can see the author name, the last date. We haven't saved it right now, so nothing is visible. You can also create a revision like you change para 5 or para 6 on this date. The menu settings are visible. If you want to provide a menu link, yes, we want to provide a menu link. So we will add it now with a description. Description would be visible when a user will hover a mouse on it, on the menu link. The parent item is visible. Here you can see the parent item. We want to keep it as a main navigation only. Here is the weight which we have discussed before, that menu links with lower weights are given more priority, so it will be visible first. Here is the book outline. Here you can see we haven't created any book, so now we will click on it and create a new book. Here you can see we have created a new book. These are the URL path settings available. We can add a URL alias to it. Last one is the authoring information, authored by, and the promotion option. If you want it to be visible on the front page, you can select it, but we don't want it right now. So now let's add the title and other things to it. So let's add it. So here you can see we have added a title, HTML tutorial, with the body, learn all about HTML. Here you can select the text format and change it. If you want all the HTML tags, you can click on full HTML. So now you can see on the left, we have added some settings, like we have added a menu link to it, HTML tutorial with a description that would be visible on mouse over. Parent item, we have added main navigation only because we want it to be visible on main navigation. That included our homepage also. Book outline, we created a new book by clicking on create a new book. URL path setting, we have added a URL alias to it. And these are the other settings which we haven't touched because we don't want it on the front page and it is authored by admin only. So after doing all the changes, you just have to click on save and publish. So click on it. So here you can see the book page HTML tutorial has been created. You can see here you can see the add child page option is visible. So click on it because we need to add child pages like HTML overview or HTML tags. So we will add it now. So click on add child page. Here you can see the same section is visible. Now we will add the same stuff here. Like if you want HTML overview, we will add it here. On the left you can see some different settings. These are the same settings visible. We will add a link to it also. Here you can see the book is visible, HTML tutorial. So now all the content will go under this page. So it will create a hierarchy of HTML tutorial consists of HTML overview, HTML installation or HTML tags and other chapters. We will select it here and parent item we have selected HTML tutorial only. Here we won't touch the weight, URL path setting are visible. We will add an alias to it. Like if it's HTML overview, we will add to it. We will also add a menu link if we want to add. So let's add it. So here you can see I've added the title HTML overview, that would come under HTML tutorial. I've also added a demo content. You can easily add an overview of HTML here so that your readers can read it. On the left you can see I have done some settings here. I haven't provided a menu link here because I want it to come under the menu HTML tutorial only. We have provided these settings like it would come under HTML tutorial and the parent item is our HTML tutorial. Rest I have added a alias to it so that it would be visible under the link HTML overview. So after doing the changes, just have to click on save and publish and let's see what happens. So here you can see we have created a book, demo book under HTML tutorial. Now you can see HTML overview is visible. In the same way you can see the left and right options are visible for next and back. If you will add another page like HTML tags here, then it would be visible on the left, it would be visible HTML overview and on the right it would be visible HTML tag. So in the same way you have created a hierarchy of book. Here you can see easily if I click on HTML tutorial, it will straight away go to the up level, that is HTML tutorial page. Here you can add more child pages. So in this video we learned all about how we can easily create a book. We also learned how we can work upon the book module so that we can create a book and add child pages to it. In the same way you can create a book like a tutorial and add sub levels to it. Thank you for watching.